Hello everyone, in this video I'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. So I bought this from Kogan.com and this was priced around $265 plus shipping. So let's go ahead and unboxing this video. So before we unbox the Galaxy Buds Plus, let's take a look around. So we have the Galaxy Buds Plus with the earbuds and the charging case. And on the side we got Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Nothing on the other side. And on the back it just tells you some specifications about this earbuds. So it has 11 hours playtime, two-way speakers rich sound, triple mics for clear voice call, and Qi wireless charging. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So under here we have some more packaging. So let's just have a look in here. So we just have a quick start guide and warranty card. So here we have the Galaxy Buds Plus. So we'll set that to the side, see what else we get. We have a white box, which inside contains the USB Type-C cable, along with some different size ear tips, including the wing tips and the gel piece. So I believe the Galaxy Buds has medium size pre-installed. So that's it for the box. So here's the Galaxy Buds Plus. So let's take it out of its packaging. Now as you can see, these are a bit different to the original Galaxy Buds Plus. So we'll compare that to the Galaxy Buds in a moment. Let's just open it up. And here it is. Let's just take them out. As you can see, this is the right tip, or the right buds. And this is the left one. And this is just the inside, so this is where the Galaxy Buds will sit in. So they're just magnetic, so it just sits in the right like that. And here on the bottom, it looks like it's a button, but I don't think it does anything. We've got left and right for left and right earbuds. We have a light. So as you can see right now, it's glowing red, meaning these are not, or the case. So this is not fully charged. And if you close it, we have green light outside. So now if we look around the bottom, as you can see, we have the FCC labels and the model and all that information. Along we have the USB Type-C charging port. Now one of the features that the Galaxy Buds Plus offer, same thing with the original Buds, is it has wireless charging. So I'll just go ahead and show you. So as you can see, I have a fast charger. Doesn't have to be a fast charger, it can just be a standard Qi wireless charger. And all you do is just place your Galaxy Buds like that. And as you can see, the LED indicator is glowing red. So right now it is in charging. And once it turns green, that means the Galaxy Buds Plus and the case will be 100% fully charged. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to connect the Galaxy Buds Plus to a Android phone, or in this case I have a Samsung phone. So all you have to do, it's really easy, you just open up the Galaxy Buds Plus like that, and we have a little animation. So as you can see, it says a new device has been detected. So we just hit connect, and it will take you right to the Galaxy Wearable app. So you do need the Galaxy Wearable app to in order for it to work well. because you do get the bonus features that comes with the app. So it says congrats on your Galaxy Buds. So we'll just hit agree. And now it's just showing you a walkthrough how to use the Galaxy Buds Plus. And one of the new features is you can start Spotify from your earbuds. And we're all set. So as you can see right now with the new Galaxy Buds Plus, it will show you the percentage of not only your earbuds but also the case itself. Also, one of the new features of the Galaxy Buds Plus is that you can now connect this to an iOS device. So if you have an iOS device and you have a Galaxy Buds Plus, all you need to do is download this app called Galaxy Buds Plus app. And once you've downloaded, you just hit the app. So Galaxy Buds Plus would like to use your Bluetooth. You just hit OK. Oh, well. So unfortunately, this is not compatible with my device. But if you do have an iPhone 10, and I believe if you have an iPhone 8 or 10, I'm not sure, but if you have any newer devices, it will connect with your Galaxy Buds Plus. So yeah, unfortunately, this is the 6S Plus, and it is not compatible with the Galaxy Buds Plus. So if you do intend on buying this and you have an iPhone 6S Plus, it will not work. But if you do have a newer version, I'm not sure which version, but I will update it in this video. Then yeah, you'll be good to go with the Galaxy Buds Plus. So the features and all the settings are very similar to the Android version. So now I'm going to compare the original Galaxy Buds from last year with the Galaxy Buds Plus from this year. So as you can see, the Galaxy Buds Plus is a lot glossier, has a glossy finish, whereas this has a matte finish. Also, the text is more fine print, more darker, so it's actually, you can actually see the print a lot more than the original Galaxy Buds. And the front, so Plus is on the top, looks practically identical. And then on the back, the Plus is on the top, but yep, pretty much looks identical. Print is a lot more bolder than the original. Then the back, so you got the USB Type-C port, which looks very similar. And then if we just quickly open these up, so with the hinge, the Galaxy Buds had it almost had like a lock hinge. So if you didn't have the lock on, it will kind of just flap around. But if you pull it all the way up, it will actually stay in place. Whereas the Buds Plus, it's almost feels like a continuous satisfaction when you open the lid. So there is no lock mechanism, it doesn't flap around, so that's pretty cool. Also, the inside of the Buds is blue, it has a light blue look to it, whereas the Buds Plus is just all white. And yeah, so here is just the inside, very similar, as you can see there. So the contact metal points are exactly the same. Only difference is, well, actually I don't really see any difference, it's just the color. But here we got the left and right, it's just printed with the LED indicator in the middle. With the Buds Plus, left and right, it kind of has a indentation. You know, it almost looks like a button, but I don't think it is. It doesn't really have any functionality. That's just the top of the case, very similar. And then finally, just a quick little comparison. We'll just get the left earbuds. I'll put these out of the way. So here are so this is the original Galaxy on my left, Buds Plus on the right. As you can see, they are very, very similar. So the microphone is actually, I would probably say twice the size of the Galaxy Buds Plus. As you can see right there. The so the touchpad, it's hard to explain. I feel like the finish is a bit more, it's a bit different. But you can kind of see. But probably one of the differences that you might be able to see, it's very difficult, is the extra microphone there. So here's the inner part of the earbuds. Practically exactly the same. The contact points, the proximity sensor, the microphone placement, even the wingtips are very similar. The only difference is the the gel piece. As you can see, the Buds Plus has a translucent gel piece, whereas the original Buds is just all white. So yeah, and let's just take off the tip. So the tip is practically the same thing. Nothing different, as you can see. And then just for the earpiece or the ear gels, basically the same. It's just this is more translucent and this is more of a white look. So that's about it. That's just an unboxing and first look at the Buds Plus. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you for watching.